Thunderbirds are go. Okay, Monbrot here again today with another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to factor a couple expressions. This one, we're focused on the GCF method here, greatest common factor. So our first problem here, notice the factor is actually a binomial. It occurs here in the first term, and in the second term. So there's two terms here. This is term 1, this is term 2. And we're going to factor this common factor m plus n. And we can only factor one power because that is the highest power, well, that occurs in both of them. So first power is actually the lowest power, but it's the highest that's in either one. So I'm going to factor out the m plus n. And I leave it in parentheses like so. And over here, you see we still have a 3, and you still have one power of m plus n because we put one power out front. Notice they add up to 2. And over here, you still have a 2, but we've divided out the m plus n. It's out in front. Now this, technically it's finished, but you probably would want to expand this inside grouping here to write it this way. And this would be the best way to leave your answer. Okay, problem 2 starts off this way. So we scan across, and the coefficients we look at first, 4, 8, and 32. The highest factor that they have in common is a 4. Okay, 4 can be divided by 4, 8 can be divided by 4, and 32 can be divided by 4. Can't go any higher because the 4 is the smallest number, and it wouldn't be divisible by, say, an 8 or a 16. Scan across the x's in each term and pick out the lowest power. It would be x squared. Scan across the y's and pick out the lowest power. We have a low power here, 2. So it'll be y squared. This is the GCF. Okay, then we'll leave a place to put the other terms. Now if you're going to divide this out, essentially you're going to try to make these products so that the exponents add up. Pull the 4 and an x squared and a y cubed, so you're going to need one more y. That would make the y powers add up to 3. For the second term, you need a 2, since 2 times 4 is 8. And we pulled out x squared and y squared, so it looks like we have an extra power of that x still there. So we put it here. And now down here, you'll have a plus 8. And we pulled out x squared, y squared, we divide that out, so you still have left over 2 more powers of x and 3 more powers of y. And that is now factored. Here's a GCF out front and the remaining factor over here. So this will be our answer. Completely factored. Okay. Send me your requests.